And that means creating an application that is not only able to run on the device using the local small language model, but we want to also incorporate Azure Open AI from the cloud to do this. And the way that we're going to do this is a couple ways. So let's just ask it a general question here. And we included a green bubble there so you can see that this is using the cloud. It says there that it's Azure Open AI. And we've included some business logic into this to say anytime that you see a string of numbers, assume that it is PII data and it is needs to be private. So let's not send that to the cloud. Let's leave that on the device. And we'll bring up the NPU so you can see. So again, right now we're just running on Azure Open AI. But in this case, I'm going to include an actual string of numbers. And again, remember, we just said if we see a string of numbers in this, I want you to treat it as confidential and process that locally. And so in this case, we're using that business logic to use the local SLM. We're not going back to the cloud. You can see the NPU is lit up as we go through this. And so now it can bounce, create this hybrid loop between the cloud and the Copilot Plus PC in order to fulfill some business needs and outcomes. So again, just a general question, we bounce back. The other one that we included in this is latency. Because this is a real-time application, we don't want latency in this. And so we put in a parameter that says if latency exceeds a certain threshold, we want to stay on the device. Now, in this case, we're going to use the VPN to create that latency. And I just ask it a general question, same as before, nothing specific, just what else is in the order. But because of that latency, that business logic, it stayed local and used the NPU and the small language model on that device. So that just gives you a little bit of a view into what's capable with Copilot Plus PCs and Azure Open AI in creating hybrid scenarios.